Welcome to Math Challenge 549. Math Challenge for all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests. In Math Challenge 549, we have a right angle triangle and three circles aligned along the bottom of the triangle, as you can see. And all the three circles are equal in size, equal radii. And we have to find the radius. All the circles have equal radii. The radius of each circle is equal and we have to find the radius. The right angle triangle, the legs are 8 centimeters and 15 centimeters. And we have to find the radius of the circle when three equal circles are aligned along the bottom of a right angle triangle. So let us find the radius of the circle. Math Challenge 549. Now first we find the hypotenuse. Two of the legs are given, 8 and 15. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse will be equal to square root of 8 square plus 15 square, that is 17. So we get the hypotenuse is equal to 17 centimeters. And we also find the area of the right angle triangle, which is half base into altitude, that is half into 15 to 8. Half of 8 is 4, so 15 to 4, 60. So the area of the right angle triangle is 60 and the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem, square root of 8 square plus 15 square is 17 centimeters and the area is 60 square centimeters. So from the center of the third circle, circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, from circle number 3, from the third circle, from the last circle, we join the vertices of the triangle. So from the center, we have drawn dotted lines. See the dotted lines joining the center to the vertex. So this center is joined to each of the three vertices of the triangle. So we get three triangles. Look at the dotted lines. We get three triangles. And the total area should be 60 square centimeters, which is the area of the large right angle triangle. The original right angle triangle, the area was 60. When we divide it into three triangles by dotted lines, the sum of the areas of the three triangles should also be 60. So we'll find the area of each of these triangles and the total should be equal to 60 square centimeters. Now we use the formula area of triangle is half into base into height. Area of triangle is given by the formula half into base into height. So look at the first triangle. The red line, the red blinking line is the height. The red blinking line is the altitude and 8 centimeters is the base. So 8 centimeters is the base and the length of the red line would be, see, covering the diameters of two circles and radius of one circle. So diameter of the first circle 2r, diameter of the second circle 2r and radius of the third circle r. So actually the length is equal to 5 times the radius 5r. So the triangle, the base is 8 and the altitude, the height is 5r, 5 times the radius. One circle 2r, another circle 2r and the last circle half of that, only the radius. So 2r plus 2r plus r, that is 5r. So base is 8, altitude 5r. So half into base into height giving you 20r, 20 times the radius. Now look at the second triangle. The base is 17 centimeters and the altitude is r. Look at the blue blinking line, blue line. The blue blinking line is the radius. So the base is 17 and the altitude is r. So half into base into height, that is 8.5 r. Look at the third circle, the black blinking line. The base is 15 and the height is r, radius, black blinking line. So base 15, altitude r. So we get half into 15 to r, 7.5 r. So the area of the triangles are 20r, 8.5r and 7.5r. So we got the areas of the three triangles 20R, 8.5R and 7.5R. The total must be equal to half into 15 to 8, the area of the full triangle, that is 60. So 20R plus 8.5R plus 7.5R, if you add, you will get 36R. That is equal to 60. That is the area of the full triangle, half into 15 to 8. So 36R equal to 60. So R will be 60 divided by 36, giving you 1 whole 2 by 3 centimeters, or 1.6666 recurring. In centimeters, it would be 1.6 recurring, or 1 whole 2 by 3 centimeters. Because when you add, the total is 36R, which is equal to the area of the right angle triangle, that is 60. So 36R equal to 60. So R equal to 5 by 3, or 1 whole 2 by 3 centimeters. So that was Math Challenge 549 for school exams, junior and senior Olympiads and competitive examinations. Follow our channel, subscribe to the channel, share and like our videos, and also send us if you have any specific question. And remember, we have once a week free online math class for students all over the world. So we shall meet again with more interesting questions. Till then, thank you and goodbye.